it's me, Gareth, and I'm on the Carnival Luminosa, deck 1, starboard side forward, right outside our cabin, which is an ocean view cabin this time. Look for that video if you want to see what it looks like inside. So we're gonna go up and we're gonna walk decks 2 and 3. That's where all the action is, you might say. Yeah, Daniel bought me this shirt. So we've gone up to deck 2. That's Ocean Plaza. Let's see if we can walk in the theater. Let's cross over to port. So maybe up on 3 we'll get in there. This is Ocean Plaza. This is where they do trivia, they do dancing, they do karaoke, they do a lot of things. There's also all these screens showing sports non-stop. That's a bar. This is the dance floor. And it's really good size. I mean, they get 50 people out here in dance class. It gets crowded. Now we're entering the casino. I guess it's called the Luminosa Casino. And we're at sea now. It's early in the morning. And so there's people playing already. It's also loud music. This is Bonsai Sushi Express, where you could buy sushi, not included. So this walkway separates, that's smoking, that's non-smoking. So, if that makes sense to you. So the smoke stops right here, and it doesn't go over there. Anyway, hey, cut for cash. So we're walking aft on the starboard side, the right side of the ship. And I'm gonna walk into the warehouse arcade briefly. And it's just a noisy place, and people like to play games in here. And then this is the art gallery. Art auction tomorrow. Well, tomorrow we're in port, but whatever. That's the midship stairs and elevators, along with the glass elevators. So this is called ATM and a change machine, actually, where you can get your account. Guest services and Carnival Adventures, which is shore excursions. And of course her. And the Supernova bar. And of course, this is the Supernova atrium. And you can see all the way up to the top of the ship. They put out puzzles, and passengers work on puzzles. That's a 5,000 piece puzzle. And these are some of the 5,000 pieces. Been working on that. Yeah, been working on that about a week, I think. Still heading aft. The music's not so loud here. We're up in the buffet. It was blasting this morning. I don't know who controls the volume. Lots of places to sit. Never crowded. Of course, we're only at 2/3 capacity maybe. So now we're all the way at the back of the ship at the Villa Restaurant. So we'll go in the Villa Restaurant. Just passing through. Yay! Hi. So this is the Villa Restaurant. I'm going to take the upper road.
Hi, you're on camera.
Yeah. Say hi. Okay, so it goes all the way to the back of the ship there. We're not going to go there. And there's an upstairs, right? I guess they're not open yet either. Oh. So it's a 2-story restaurant. It's the only main dining room on the ship. The only main dining room on the ship. Of course, access to outside. Now, that's what I mean by loud music, right? So it's playing really loud. So now we're walking forward on the starboard side, the right side. Remember, you can't do anything on the port side, at least not down here. Everything's on the starboard side, at least walking. Carnival store. They have Carnival stuff in there. Everything says Carnival on it. Everything. I'm going to detour around here. So I want to show you that they sell stuff. This is Pixel's Photo. That they sell binoculars, massive snorkels, sunscreen, speakers, charging cables. You know, they'll open these up at some point today and your picture will be on there. Maybe. Of course, you have to have taken one for it to be on there, right? But sometimes they do random shots while you're out on deck or wherever, getting off the ship. Another way to get out on both sides. This is the library. And they have quite a few books. Of course, people have the books in their cabin, they're reading them, right? Otherwise, I guess there'd be more. Pixel's Photo Gallery. That's what we just walked through. This is the Circle C Club, ages 12 to 14. The other 2 kid clubs are up on deck 10. Let's go back over here. And these are the shops of Galleria. And when they say shops, they mean...
Hello, Alexa.
They mean 2. There are 2 shops and they sell everything from jewelry and perfume and watches to clothes and snacks and liquor. Of course, you can't drink the liquor when you're on board. You got to save it till you get off. But it's 2 shops, and I think they don't open till 10. It's only 7:30 on board here. That brings us out of the Galleria and to a place called Java Blue Cafe. Java Blue. Hi. And at Java Blue, you can get a puzzle. You can get the Fun Times, which doesn't look like the old Fun Times. Remember, Java Blue costs money though, and she'll be glad to take it. And then Cherry on Top, which is a candy store, and it has candy by the pound, and it also has stuffed animals and towels you can buy, souvenirs. This is the Limelight Lounge, and this is where they do comedy. This is the Punchliner Comedy Club at night. Well, in the afternoon too. A couple more of these machines. You get your statement there. You get Australian dollars from this ATM. Now we're back to the Luminosa Theater, and the door's open. And I find that it's always open up here, but not down there. So we're going to walk in here, but we're upstairs now. And that's the Luminosa Theater, right? And I don't like to sit up in the balcony. I don't think the chairs are very comfortable, and I don't think the viewing is as good. But down there, those couches, they may not look it, but they're very comfortable, and there's room to walk in front of people, without stepping on their toes or them getting up or anything. So it's a nice theater. It's a great theater, and they do some great shows. We had a hypnotist the other night, so our fellow passengers were acting up or acting out. Anyway, that's about it from the Carnival Luminosa. Forward stairs. John Lynn, he's hilarious. If you ever get a chance to see John Lynn, you should do it. Anyway, oh wow. So, from the Carnival Luminosa, I'm Gareth, and I'll see you in the next port. Bye.